Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your age or how to change your age if you have picked the wrong age in Bumble app. Now go to your web browser and type in Bumble age change. And after that go to this first link that says my age is wrong on my profile, how can I fix it? After that it will send you to this page. And as you can see here, reach out to us here, click on this here link and it will send you to another page. Now this is the Bumble help center. Now click on report a technical issue, your Bumble username, your email which you have connected with the Bumble, and choose the mode you are using on, choose the platform you're using on and click on other or profile plus photos. So type in your problems and attach the screenshot of your age and type in your age number.
What is that?
And fill this up so they think you are not an bot, and send message. After a while, after 24 hours, you'll get an email for changing your age. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.